What's up, everybody? Andy Bassett, president of Ellerbrock-Norris, here again on our video series of Is Insurance Enough? So we've been talking around the idea of when we look at managing risk in our businesses or our personal lives, is just purchasing insurance enough to solve that problem, concern, issue, and manage whatever those risks are. We talk about it all the time with our clients, with prospective clients internally, that there's a lot of risks that just insurance programs cannot solve. So within ENCORE and within the model we've developed, we've identified 10 impact areas of risk that we want to understand specific to business owners every day and see, does in fact other risk exist that insurance is not going to solve. Just one of those areas is actually insurance. So today I'm going to tell a quick story or example around business continuity. So we had a situation where actually a friend of ours in the industry shared a situation not that long ago where a client of theirs, manufacturer, suffered a total loss to their building by way of fire. Insurance program was set up beautifully. They were paid for the damage to the building, damage to their equipment. They had really good business income coverage, so it replaced this lost income. And actually, the construction process came together beautifully, and they were up and rolling, all paid for by the insurance company in 9 months. So insurance worked perfect. They were in operation for 3 months before they permanently closed their doors. Why? Because insurance wasn't enough. The issue there was the lion's share of their revenue came from one client. That one client, while the insurance process was playing out, wasn't about to say, we're going to sit here and wait however long it is to get your product to get into our product and get out the door to our consumers. So they went and found somebody else that could do it. And when our client, or that wasn't our client, but when this particular business reopened its doors, something like 65% of their revenue was gone because they had no business continuity plan to what were they going to do for this client if this event happened. Oh, and by the way, 2 of their key employees, their best people that work specifically for that client, the new business that took that client away from them also took their 2 employees. 3 months, they were out of business. Insurance worked perfectly, but they did not have a business continuity plan to address a catastrophic event. They were relying on insurance. It was devastating to their business. So there's a perfect example of a real life scenario that happens all the time, frankly, in which insurance was not enough. So potentially if an advisor had been talking to them and through the idea of how do we set up a solid business continuity plan, they may still be in business today. So I challenge everybody that listens to this to think about that example, think about your business, think about even your personal life. Are there things that can happen that we're not sure insurance is going to be the solution for? If that's the case, talk to somebody, talk to us, talk to other advisors you work with, figure out a plan. That way you can sleep better at night. That's all I got for today. Have a wonderful, it's almost Memorial Day weekend, at least when I'm giving this. So if you're watching it, enjoy. Hopefully you had a good Memorial Day because I'm sure you won't see it till after that. Thanks, everybody.